Struggling to keep your patio warm when the temperature drops? Outdoor heaters can be the perfect solution, but with so many options available, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. That's where electric infrared patio heaters come in. They're efficient, easy to use, and can transform your outdoor space into a cozy retreat no matter the season. And to make it easier for you, I've reviewed the top 5 best infrared patio heaters. Don't worry, we've included links in the description so you can check out the prices or grab one for yourself. Let's dive right in. Starting with number 1, the Dr. Infrared Heater DR238. This model is known for its highly efficient carbon infrared heating element, which delivers powerful heat without drying out the air. This means you get instant warmth the moment you turn it on, without that harsh, dry feeling. One of its standout features is the adjustable power settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts. Whether you're looking for a light warmth or a full-on heat wave, you can customize it to suit your comfort level. What's really convenient about this heater is its wall and ceiling mounting options, making it perfect for patios, garages, or even workshops. You can mount it high up to cover a larger area, and with its remote control, adjusting the heat from across the room is a breeze. Imagine enjoying a chilly evening on your patio, not having to move an inch to adjust the temperature. Plus, it's weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or dust affecting its performance. The sleek design is a bonus, blending into any outdoor setting without looking bulky or out of place. With all these features combined, this heater offers a hassle-free solution to staying warm outdoors. Next up, number 2, we have the Brisa Infrared Heater. This model is built with a focus on safety, featuring tip-over protection and an automatic shutoff function that activates if it's accidentally knocked over or becomes too hot. This is a big deal for families with kids or pets, as it eliminates the risk of accidents. The Brisa heater is powered by carbon infrared technology, ensuring that you feel its warmth almost instantly. It comes with 3 heat settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts, giving you flexibility based on the outside temperature. A cool feature that adds to its appeal is the included tripod stand, allowing you to move it around your patio or even use it indoors. Imagine having a backyard BBQ in cooler weather and being able to move the heater around wherever people are gathered. The heater's water-resistant build makes it an ideal choice for outdoor use, and it even comes with a remote for easy control. Its versatility and safety features really make it stand out. Whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing solo, this heater ensures everyone stays comfortable in any weather. For the 3rd spot, let's talk about the Serene Life Infrared Heater. It's packed with features that make it one of the most user-friendly heaters on the market. First off, it's a wall-mounted heater with a sleek, modern design, meaning it doesn't take up any floor space and stays out of the way. Its 1500-watt power output ensures powerful and consistent heat, keeping you warm even on the chilliest evenings. One of the things that sets this heater apart is its adjustable heat angle, letting you direct the warmth exactly where you need it. Whether you're sitting in a cozy corner or entertaining a group of friends, the heat can be angled for maximum comfort. It also has an overheat protection feature for added safety, automatically turning off if it gets too hot. Picture yourself sitting on the patio during a crisp autumn night with the warmth from this heater enveloping the entire area. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you won't see a huge spike in your electric bill, which is always a plus. You can trust that the Serene Life Infrared Heater will keep your outdoor gatherings cozy and efficient. Moving on to number 4, we've got the Trotec Infrared Heater 14100033930. Built with a focus on energy efficiency, this heater uses shortwave infrared radiation to deliver heat directly to people and objects, rather than wasting energy warming the air. This makes it particularly effective in outdoor spaces where wind and drafts can usually diminish the warmth of traditional heaters. One of the highlights of the Trotec model is its super quiet operation. Unlike other heaters that may have a fan or moving parts, this one operates silently, making it ideal for those evenings when you just want to enjoy the peaceful outdoors. Imagine hosting an outdoor dinner party and having this heater quietly warming the space without disrupting the ambiance. Its IP65 rating means it's fully protected against dust and low-pressure water jets, so it can withstand different weather conditions, and its slim design means it won't stick out like a sore thumb. This heater is the perfect blend of performance and discretion, delivering warmth while maintaining a relaxed outdoor atmosphere. Rounding off our list at number 5 is the HeatStorm HS-1500-OTR, a powerful outdoor-rated infrared heater that combines portability with top-notch performance. It features 1,500 watts of heating power and is designed to be mounted on a wall, but it's just as effective when placed on a stand. What really makes the HeatStorm model stand out is its smart Wi-Fi connectivity. With the HeatStorm app, you can control the heater remotely from your smartphone. No more running back inside to adjust the heat. You can do it right from your chair. This heater also comes with an aluminum body and weatherproof design, so it can withstand outdoor conditions without rusting or wearing down. You can feel confident leaving it out on the patio without worrying about rain or snow damaging it. And thanks to its infrared technology, it heats people and objects directly, meaning you'll feel the warmth immediately rather than having to wait for the surrounding air to heat up. It's a great choice for tech enthusiasts who want to incorporate smart features into their outdoor living space. With its cutting-edge design and reliable performance, the HeatStorm heater guarantees both warmth and convenience, so those are the top 5 infrared patio heaters you should consider. To wrap it up, each of these heaters brings something different to the table. The Doctor Infrared Heater DR238 is perfect for those wanting versatility in mounting options and weatherproofing. The Breeza Infrared Heater stands out for its safety features, making it ideal for families, while the Serene Life Infrared Heater excels in adjustability and modern design. The Trotec infrared heater offers superior energy efficiency and quiet operation. And finally, the HeatStorm HS-1500-OTR is perfect for tech lovers who want the convenience of smart control. When it comes to value for money, the Breeza infrared heater provides excellent safety and versatility at an affordable price. But if you're looking for top-notch features with smart connectivity, the HeatStorm HS-1500-OTR is the way to go. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Transform your outdoor space with one of these infrared heaters and make the most out of your patio, even in cooler weather. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.